How to view history on YouTube Music application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your history on your YouTube Music app. In order to view your history on YouTube Music, you will need to first open your YouTube Music application on your mobile device. Now once you have opened it, you will land on this homepage. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once after logging into your account, you will be able to locate the profile icon or the initial at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and then you will be presented with this account option. Here, you will be able to locate the history icon represented by a clock icon. Simply tap on this history icon and then you will be presented with your history in YouTube Music app. From here, you'll be able to find the music that you have played before. Now, if you'd like to remove this music, you may simply tap on the three dots icon at the right side of that music and then in this pop-up menu at the bottom, select Remove from History option. By selecting it, this music or the item will be removed from your history. If you like to clear all the history, you will need to simply follow these steps or right-click on the history and then a pop-up will appear at the bottom. Here select Remove from History. So by following these steps, you should be able to view your history in YouTube Music app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.